Hey guys, welcome to my channel Techo. My name is Salman Francis, and today we will take a look at solution of question number 16 of a Red Hat certified engineering exam version 9. So let's start. So in today's question, we need to create a playbook cronjob.yaml in our working directory with the following conditions. We need to create a cron job for user Techo on our web servers group node, and this job should run every minute, and it should with the following content: EX294 exam in progress. So let's start. Let me show you my inventory, and you can see that web servers group has children dev and prod, and node 1 and node 2 are the members of dev and prod respectively. Okay, let's create cron job.yaml file. Name is going to be creating, you can say, setting up. You can say setting up cron job for web servers, and the hosts going to be web servers. Become is true, and tasks. So in the tasks is, let's set up the cron job. You can call it anything. And for this, I'm going to use the module cron. Okay, so this cron has a name. You can call it logging job, cron logger, anything. So I'll call it cron logger. And then the user, as per our question, is Techo, and the time is in minutes. So it's minute, by the way. And we need to run it every single minute. So it's going to be asterisk and every single minute. So that's how you mention in the cron job. And then what job we want to run. It should run logger basically. Logger is the command, and it should log the message EX294 exam is in progress. And the state is going to be present. All right, so this is our playbook. Hosts, become, task is, let's set up the cron job. We'll use the module cron. Name is cron logger, uses techo every minute. And job is use the command logger, and it with the following content, and the state is present. Let's use a dry run first. Ansible playbook, my inventory, cron job.yaml. Let's see. Okay, everything looks good. So let's run our playbook without the dry run. All right, perfect. So let's check if we were successful or not. So Ansible web servers, and the argument I'm going to use is cron tab dash user list, list user techo. And perfect, you can see that on node 2 it's giving you this cron logger that exam is in progress, and on node 1 as well. So guys, we were successful in running our cron job on our web servers group, and I hope this has been informative, and I will be Seeing you in our next video with question number 17. Till then, take care and goodbye.